Hello everybody, my name is Jocelyn Nozak, and I'm the lead SEO at Nozak Consulting. I would like to tell you a little bit of SEO. Have you ever heard of an informational query? An informational query is when someone is looking up information on the web. The only way to be found for these types of queries is to have content on your website. So if you don't have a blogger, a contact team, or an agency writing this content for you, you're missing out on the bulk of Google searches. Let me ask you this question. Say 10 people look up a topic, and 8 of them do it themselves, but 2 of them find out they can't do it themselves. Who do you think they're going to go to? This has been SEO with Jocelyn Nozak. If you have any other questions, please hit me up.